input a number and determine whether it is odd or even. Right. Now, කොහොමද odd or even කියලා හොයන්නේ? First, let's make the logic. So, on a program එකක් is a logic එකනේ හදන්න ඕනේ, first important factor. So the logic is you get the input with the number එකක්. Now, how do you say without the programming? Forget about the programming and all those things. How do you say whether this number is an odd or even? Basically, may number එකේ okay remainder එක 1 නම් or the remainder can be 0. If the remainder is 1, we call it as odd. If the remainder is 0, we call it as even. So remainder ගන්නවා නම් කෝකත් එකද අපි divide කරන්නේ by 2. So you divide it by 2. Divide කරන 2 එකත් එක්ක ඒකේ remainder එක 1 නම් we call it as odd. Remainder එක even නම් we call it as 0. මේක තමයි the basic logic to find the input and output. Sorry, even or odd. Shall we do the same thing in here? Start. Okay, start input. Okay, number. Input number, right? Then I'm going to say this number I need to divide it. My number first I need to divide it. I'm going to say number divide by 2. May number x may number divide by 2. I'll say x. If this x equal to check equality 1 equal now 1. I'm saying the program check equal the kila because I can't put less than greater than the under. Okay, I can do also less than greater than the under. If the number is greater than how much? Without putting equality, how to check? Less than or greater than that? Make it x greater than how much? Odd or even? Yes, x greater than 0. Obviously, if x is greater than 0, it's all odd number, right? So in here, I'll say print odd commas L print 1 in the okay, program. Okay, let's see whether this program is correct. Correct in what instance is it becoming correct? Is it what is the reason it is wrong, or else how can you make it correct? Done. Good. Okay, I'll give you my answer. One answer me okay, good. Start input number you get the input from the user. First problem in here you come across is this is not a valid operator. First point. So under the operator we call these one as arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators, operators that used to do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. If you want to divide it, you may sign use instead we use this sign. Okay, sir. We use make couple may sign use if you num divide by 2x, if x is greater than 500, etc. Okay, now we come to test is the program is correct or not. Similarly, last time Umesh program we put a sample data and see whether is it correct or not. This time I'm going to say number 10. Num equal 10. Okay, can you say me the value of x? Num divide by 2 is equal to x. What is the value of x? X is unknown meaning x is known. See, x value you do the calculation and put it as x. X value simplify it will become x. Okay, what is the value of x? How did you get it? Num divided by 2, it's equal to x. 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Is 5 greater than 0? Yes. It's not number. So what is the output? You're getting odd. But actually number 10 is an even number. So where are we making the mistake? Actually, it is not giving us the remainder, no? It can be 0, 1, remainder එකෙන්. Okay, remainder එකෙන්. But here it is not the remainder. It's a division you have done. You can still further divide it. එතකොට remainder ගන්න ඕනේ නම් there is a new operator. Okay, remainder is not given by that, but remainder is given by an operator called mod. Modular division. ඒ කියන්නේ මොනවද? මෙන්න මේ division එක. මෙයාගේ family එකේ තව division එකක් that allows you to give the remainder. ඒ කියන්නේ if you want to get the remainder by dividing something, mod will help you with it. So instead of this, අපි මොනවද use කරන්න ඕනේ? Mod එක use කරන්න ඕනේ. So the program will become num mod. Now what is mod? We'll go for it. Okay, did you understand on that? We should use mod in order to do the question. I may have a question to explain you about mod. Done. Now how the mod works is okay. For an example, if I say you are 10 divided by 2. Okay, if I say it in this way, 10 divided by 2 ගත්තොත්, right? මෙන්න මෙහෙම ගත්තොත් 2 වල 10 කීයක් තියෙනවද? 5ක් තියෙනවා. Okay, and 2 divided by 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, this is the division. Make තමයි remainder. Okay, මේක තමයි remainder එක. මේක division එක, මේක quotient කියලා කියනවා අපි. මේකට අපි කියනවා quotient එක කියලා. Okay, that is this value. Quotient gives you by this. This gives you the quotient. Modular division gives you the remainder. Therefore, 10 mod 2 gives you 0. 11 mod 3 gives you what? 11 mod 3. 11 divided by 3. Remainder kiyada. 3 is 11 kiyak tiyada. 3, 6, 9. 12, 9, 9. 9 and remainder kiyada. Remainder is 9. 10, 11, 2. No? Remainder 2. Did you get it? Okay, 2. Then got 15 mod 13. 15 wala 13 kiyak tinawada? 1. Ito remainder 2. Did you get it? Okay. 6 mod 3. 6 wala 3 kiyak tinawada? 6 mod 3. Okay, mod 3. 6 wala 3 is kiyak tinawada? 3, 6. Okay, 0. 0 is the remainder. You are okay with this? Mod kata mod will divide and give you the remainder.